Okay, this is a globe that sits behind my wife's chair, and she has a blanket she covers up with, and when she gets up she throws the blanket on the back of the chair and it hits this globe. And I had to do this about 4 or 5 years ago, and the other day she hit it enough times that it broke loose the top ring. Luckily I was holding by just like one little bit of this. So I want to put that back on. I wanted to use my new Schneider soldering iron. I set it to 700. It's working really well. And basically what it does is reseat this. Melts the solder, lets it flow, and reattaches itself. And it works really well. I didn't have an iron that would do 700 degrees before, so I just keep going this all the way around. I added a whole bunch of solder. I didn't look up what temperature I should be using. I just turned it up until I felt it was working the way I wanted it to. It turned out to be 700 degrees. I'll have to go look up now what temperature I should have used. So as you can see, there's supposed to be strips like this across the top that attach to this, and they came off. So I've only got these attachment points here, here, and here. So I want to be sure and fill in any holes. 700 degrees works really well. As you can see, this looks pretty good. So just letting it reflow. Adding where I need to. There's a huge hole there, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to fill that big hole. Yeah, I did. But there's another one over here. I'm going to try to fix that little hole. I'm going to make that hole bigger. There, I got it to flow just a little bit. I don't know that I have. Yeah, I do. A little bit more solder right through here. Seems like there's a joint there I want to be better. Right in my finger. So I'll turn my soldering iron off. And that did pretty well. Where this stuff came off up in here, there was no place to solder to, but there is several places, and it made it pretty strong. I was originally going to do what solder I could, and then do hot glue on the inside. But this actually went so well here, and it's so solid on there, that I'm not going to do the hot glue. It's not needed. It's going to make a mess I have to clean up sometime in the future. So it worked out really well. I've never done stained glass before. I do solder a lot. I didn't have a soldering gun that would do 700 degrees before either. So I was trying to do it at like 450, and while I could do it, it wasn't the greatest. That's 700 really well. There you go. Using the Schneider soldering iron to fix stained glass. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.